All right. Most of you did a great job of explaining what a limiting reactant is. It's the cheese. It's the reactant that runs out first. So I have 2 slices of cheese and 6 slices of bread. Okay. The way you find out which one the limiting reactant is you think about the products. Okay. I know that this is a sandwich, right? With a slice of cheese and then another slice of bread. How can I even draw this? I don't even know. There it is. 3 dimensions. Well, okay, uglily drawn. So I know that with this one, because the ratio is 2 cheese. Oh, oops. 1 cheese plus 2 bread gives me 1 sandwich. So I know, because of the ratios, using the mole ratios really, I know that I have 3 breads, and I know that the products, the amount of sandwiches I can make, because I know the ratio is for every 2 breads I can make 1 sandwich, and that's basically, oh, that's not 3, that's 6. So 6 breads can only make basically 3 sandwiches. And you can do this without the ratio, because you know it's just divided by 2. But this helps. Sometimes these hinder, truthfully, but they do help when it gets more complicated. But theoretically, it's just this divided by this. And we know that this one here can only make, because it's a 1-to-1 ratio, can only make 2 sandwiches. Okay. So what is the maximum number of sandwiches we can make? This one, because this is the limiting reactant. And the reason why we know it is that it gives us the least amount of product. Okay, that is the real key. Or you could see, how many other slices of bread do I need to react with the cheese? Well, all I need is 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I have extra, then I know that the one I don't have extra of is the limiting reactant. So that's another way of solving it. You can say that I have 2 slices of cheese. All I really need is 4 slices of bread, but I have 6. So 2 extra, right? That means that, oh look, that's the cheese. In our last problem, the way we found the cheese is by finding the grams of product for both of those and comparing which one gives you the least. The least number is the one that tells you which one is the limiting reactant, because that's the most that one of these reactants can give you. You could stop here actually and just find the moles of each one, of moles of product, zinc iodide, and that could also tell you, because it's multiplied by the same number. But I like this way because it's getting you ready to answer your question. Okay. Yeah. I mean, you could also conversely find out how many grams of the other product you need and see if you have enough. Just like this guy here, right? If you have enough slices of bread, and if you don't, you don't. Okay, but I prefer that when you do this, just find the grams of the product and then see which one is the smaller amount, and then you're done.